Example, decimal number is divided by x. The example, construct a DFA for the decimal number divisible by 2. Sometimes they ask divisible by 3, divisible by 4, divisible by 5, or they ask the multiple of x or mod of the x. Now first most important point is the decimal number. So summation is equals to, decimal numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the decimal number. So we consider divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. Right. So suppose number mod 2 is equals to 0. Otherwise number mod 2 is equals to 1. Means suppose number is divisible by 2, then remainder, this is your remainder is 0. Otherwise remainder is 1. Okay, so we prepare the transition table. In the transition table we define the two parts. That two parts is, first number mod 2 is equals to 0. So here 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the numbers that time remainder generator 0. Next is the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the number that time remainder is equals to 1. Okay, the number of states here generate first Q0 and Q1. Q0 is represent remainder 0 and Q1 is represent remainder 1. Now we consider here combination, right? For that combination, number is 0, 0. Means 0, 0 divided by 2 is equals to 0. 0 remainder means Q0 state. Okay, that is your Q0 state. Okay, now 0, 2, 0, 2 divided by 2, remainder is 0. Means your Q0 state. Then 0, 4, 0, 4 divided by 2 is equals to remainder 0. So it is Q0 state. Same way we can check. So here we write down Q0 state. Now for here 0, 1. 0, 1 divided by 2, remainder is 1. Remainder 1 means Q1 state. Okay, then 0, 7. 0, 7 divided by 2 is equals to remainder 1 means your Q1 state. Same for another state. So here we define Q1 for 1. So we can combine, right, these two numbers. 1, 2 means 12 divided by 2 is equals to 0. Again 1, 8 divided by 2 is equals to remainder 0. 0 means Q0 state. So here we write Q0. Again for 1, 1 from this side and this is from 17. Then 17 divided by 2, then remainder is equals to 1. Again 1 and 9 divided by 2, remainder is equals to 1. 1 means your Q of 1. So here we define Q1. Okay, from transition table we prepare the transition diagram. In the transition diagram, Q0 initial state, Q1. Okay, then Q0 to Q0, here Q0 to Q0, the symbols are 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, Again Q0 to Q1. That time Q0 to Q1 symbols are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Again Q1 to Q0, the symbols are 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Again Q1 to Q1, the symbols are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Again same process we apply for the divisible by the 3, divisible by 4, divisible by 5 also. Now we see the divisible by 3. So here divisible by 3. When divisible by 3, then number mod 3 is equals to remainder is 0. Right, number mod 3 is equals to remainder is 1. Number mod 3 is equals to 2. The remainder, these are the remainders. So we define the states. 0 means Q0 state. Suppose remainder is 1, that time Q1 state. Remainder is 2, that is the Q2 state. So we prepare the transition table. In the transition table, we can consider the 3. First, divisible by 0 means 0, 3, 6, 9. Okay. Next is 1, 4, 7 is the for remainder 1. Next is 2, then 5, 8. Okay, these are the remainder 2. Now we can consider Q0 state, Q1 state, Q2 state. Okay. Again for Q0 state is represent 0 remainder, Q1 represent 1 remainder, Q2 is represent 2 remainder. Now we check 0 from this side and 6 from this side, means number is 0, 6 divisible by 3 is equals to 0. 0 means Q0 state. Okay. Again 0, 9. 0, 9 divided by 3 is equals to 0 means your Q0 state. So here we write down Q0 state. Next 0, 1. 0, 1 divided by 3 remainder is equals to 1 means your Q1 state. Okay. Next 0, 7. 0, 7 divided by 3, that time remainder 1 is your Q1 state. Okay. So here we define Q1. Same way for 0, 5. 0, 5 divided by 3 is equals to remainder 2. 2 means your Q2 state. So here we define Q2. Okay. Now we see this 1, 3. 1, 3 divided by 3 is equals to remainder 1. Again 1, 9. 1, 9 divided by 3 remainder is 1. That is your remainder is 1 means Q1 state. So here we define Q1. Again 1, 4. 1, 4 divided by 3 remainder is equals to 3. 1, 7 divided by 3 means remainder is equals to 2 means your Q2 state. So here write down Q2 state. Again for 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2 divided by 3 is equals to remainder 0. Again 1, 5. 1, 5 divided by 3 remainder is 0 means your Q0 state. So here write Q0 state. Okay. 2 and 6. 2 and 6 divided by 3, that time remainder 2. So here we define Q2. Again 2 and 1. 2 and 1 divided by 3 is equals to remainder 0. So we define Q0 state. Okay. 2 and 2. 22 divided by 3 is equals to remainder 1. So here we define Q1. Again There is the easy method. Suppose here first calculate q0, q1, q2. This process is complete. Then again we can write down q1, q2. Sorry, here is q0. Okay, again write down q2, q0, q1. Okay. From this we prepare the transition diagram. In the transition diagram, here we can consider q0 state, then q1 state, then q2 state. q0 is the initial, again q0 to q0, q0 to q0 is 0 3 6 9, 0 3 6 9. Again q0 to the q1 is equals to 1 4 7. Again q0 to q2 is equals to 2 5 8. Now first q1 to q1 is equals to 0 3 6 9. Again q1 to q2 is equals to 1 4 7. Again next we calculate q1 to q2, right? Again q1 to q0, here is 2 5 8. Again q2 to q2 cell flow is equals to 0 3 6 9. Again q2 to q0 is equals to 1 4 7. Again q2 to the q1 is equals to 2 5 8. This is your transition diagram. Again for the second example, construct a DFA for the ternary number. Most important is your ternary number. So summation is equals to 0 1 2 is your ternary number. Okay. For binary number is equals to 0 and 1. For ternary number 0 1 2, 3 number. Again divisible by 2 we calculate.